Hello friends, I am Pramod. Today you will discuss about the problems based upon the simultaneous linear differential equation. In the last lecture we had solved the various types of problems. In this video lecture we will solve the more problems on the simultaneous linear differential equation. Okay, so now we will solve. So solve du by dx plus v equals to sin x and dv by dx plus u equals to cos x. Means you will solve for u and solve for v. In some problems also it will be given solve for x and solve for y. मतलब dy by dx will be there and dx by dy will be there. But here du by dx and dv by dx means you will solve for u and you will solve for v. Okay, so already you know in the last problem you had solved by the method of elimination. मतलब you will, if you will eliminate u, you will get the value of v. You will eliminate v, you will get the value of u. This is known as the method of elimination. Okay, so now you will solve it. Put d by dx equal to capital D. So this is du plus v equals to sin x, dv plus u equals to cos x. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So if you will solve for u, you will cancel the value of v. Okay, so if we will, so what is the coefficient of that is v? So this is du plus v equals to sin x, u plus dv equals to cos x. Just you will arrange in the form of u, in the form of v. Let this is equation number 1, let this is equation number 2. Okay. Okay. So if we will solve for u and we will cancel the value of v. So what is the coefficient of v? It is 1. And what is the coefficient of v? It is d. So you will multiply equation number 1 with d and the multiply equation number 2 with 1. So that the coefficient of v, it will be same and thereafter you will cancel the value of v. Okay. So this is minus minus and this is minus. Okay. So this is d into d. This is what? D square u. This is, or that is, this is d square u plus dv equals to derivative of sin x. It is cos x. Equation number 2, 1 into u. This is u. This is dv equals to cos x. So this is minus minus and this is minus. So dv plus dv minus dv it is cancelled and cos x minus cos x it is cancelled. So this is what? D square u minus u equals to 0. So this is d square minus 1 into u equals to 0, which is known as the linear differential equation. So this one you will solve, you will find the CF and PI, then you will get the solution of u. So here what is auxiliary equation? D square minus 1 equals to 0, d square equals to 1 and d equals to plus or minus 1. So what is CF? CF equals to plus or minus 1. The first root is plus 1, another root is minus 1. So this is C1 e raised to x plus C2 e raised to minus x. This is the value of CF. Now we will find the value of Pi. So Pi means what? 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is 1 upon f of d into capital X or 1 upon f of d into f of x. So 1 upon f of d means d square minus 1 into v. V means 0. So that is Pi will be 0. So what is the solution for u? U equals to CF plus Pi. So what is CF? CF equals to C1 e raised to x plus C2 e raised to minus x. This is the value of u. But pi is 0, so it is 0. So based upon the condition is given at x equal to 0, u equals to 1 and v equals to 0. So at x equal to 0, and u equals to 1. So this is u equals to 1, and x equal to 0. This is c1 plus c2. So c1 plus c2 equals to 1 based upon the given condition. So this is the solution for u. So similarly you will solve for v. So this is our equation number 1 and 2. So this is our equation number 1 and 2. Now we will solve for v. Okay. So this is equation number 1 and 2. So now you will solve for already we got the value of u and you will solve for v. So you also cancel the value of u and get the value of v. But already v is there. V equals to you can solve for v. So v equals to sin x minus du, or you can solve for v by the cancel the value of y. But here we can directly get the value of v. So from equation number 1, so what is the value of v? What is the value of v? V equals to sin x minus du. So this is sin x minus du. Matlab you will differentiate u with respect to x du. So this is the value of u. So derivative of u. So this is c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x, and the derivative of minus x, it is minus 1. It is minus 1. So this is sin x minus c1 e raised to x minus c2 e raised to minus x. Okay. So this is the value of v. So sin x minus c1 e raised to x minus c2 e raised to minus x. So based upon the condition, so x equal to 0 and v equal to 0. So put the condition is what? X equals to 0 and v equals to 0. So this is 0, v equal to 0, a sin 0 0, and this is minus c1 a plus c2. Because x equal to 0, so something 0 it is 1, a minus c1, a minus minus plus c2. So this is here c1 equals to c2. So this is equation number 4. So from equation number 3 and 4, c1 plus c2 equals to 1 and c1 equals to c2. Matlab, so that is c1 equals to c2 equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Because c1 plus c2 equals to 1, or 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1. So hence, so c1 equals to c2 equals to 1 by 2. So put the value of c1 and c2. Put the value of c1 and c2 in the value of that is what? V. So that is, so what is the value of v? V equals to sin x minus e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2. Because c1 equals to 1 by 2 and c2 equals to 1 by 2. So this is v equals to sin of x. So e raised to theta minus e raised to minus theta by 2 equals to sin of hx. So hence solve these two equations. Matlab you will find the value of u. So that is u equals to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. And what is the value of v? V equals to sin of x and minus sin of hx. So this is equation number, or this is the value of u and this is the value of v. So u and v is the solution of the simultaneous linear differential equation. Okay. Now we will go for another problems, that is solve for x. Matlab you can solve for x and solve for y. Only here you will solve for x only. You will not solve for y. But you can also, if it is asking that is what solve, means you will solve for x and y. But in this question you will solve for x only. So this is, put d by dx equals to capital D. So this is dx plus 5x minus 2y equals to t, and this is dy plus 2x plus y equals to 0. So just you will common the x, and here also you will common the y. Just you will rearrange it. So this is d plus 5 into x minus 2y equals to t, and this is 2x dy plus y. This is d plus 1 into y equals to 0. Now this is equation number 1, now this is equation number 2. Okay. So you will solve for x, means you will eliminate y. So what is the coefficient of y? Minus 2. What is the coefficient of y in equation number 2? D plus 1. Means multiply equation number 1 with d plus 1, multiply equation number 2 with 2. So this is d plus 1 into d plus 5. So this is d plus 1 into d plus 5 into x minus 2 into d plus 1 into y, and this is d plus 1 into t. Just you will multiply 2 into 4x plus 2 into d plus 1 into y equals to 0. Okay. So this is plus a minus, it will be cancelled. Okay. So d plus 1 into d plus 5 into x. So this is d square plus 5d plus d plus 5. D square plus 5d plus d plus 5 into x plus 4 into x equals to the derivative of t, it is 1, and 1 into t, it is t. So this is d square plus 6d, this is what? 5 plus 4, this is 9 into x equals to 1 plus t. Now it is converted in the form of a linear differential equation. So now you will solve for x, means you will find the complementary function and particular integral. So what is auxiliary equation, that is? So d square plus 6d plus 9 equals to 0. So this is d plus 3 ka whole square equals to 0. That means d equals to minus 3 comma minus 3. So what is CF? CF equals to C1 plus C2. What is the function that is? This is t. C1 plus C2t e raised to minus 3t. So C1 C2x e raised to m1x. So here m1 equals to minus 3. And what is pi? So pi equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x or f of t. So here function is t, means you will take f of t. So this is 1 upon d square plus 6d plus 9 into 1 plus t. So this is 1 plus t. So 1 upon this d square plus 6d plus 9 into 1, and 1 upon d square plus 6d plus 9 into t. So this is constant. So for constant you will put d equal to 0. So this is 1 upon 9 plus, so this is t is there. Matlab you will use the concept of binomial series. So in case of binomial theorem, you will take the common, you will common the constant. So here 9 is the constant. So this is 1 upon 9 will be common. So this is 1 plus d square plus 6d upon 9 into t. Okay. Means you will arrange in the form of 1 upon 1 plus z or 1 upon 1 minus z, so that you will get the answer. So this is 1 upon, so this is 1 upon 9. So this is 1 upon 1 plus z. So this is 1 minus d square plus 6d upon 9 into t. Okay. So now so this is 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9 the t into 1. This is t, and this is the double derivative of d square. d the first derivative it is 1, second is it is 0. ये हमारा 0 हो गया. So this is minus 6. The derivative of t it is 1. So 6 by 9. Okay. So this is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9t, and this is minus 6 by 81. So this is 3 2s and 3 27. So this is 1 by 9t plus 1 by 9 minus 2 by 27. So this is 1 by 9t, and the LCM is what? 27. So this is 3 minus 2. So this is 1 by 90 plus 1 by 27. Okay. So this is the value of Pi. So what is the value of x? So x equals to CF plus Pi. So what is CF? CF equals to C1 plus C2t e raised to minus 3t. And what is Pi? 1 upon 90 plus 1 upon 27. Okay. So in this way you will solve the various types of problem based upon the simultaneous linear differential equation. Okay. Thank you.